This session of industrial economics is related to the two important concepts of economic growth and economic development. So first of all, introduction to economic growth and economic development. Economic growth and economic development may be considered as two sides of the same coin. Till 1950s, these two terms were considered synonyms, but later economists like Miss Ujjwal Hicks, Schumpeter, and others made a distinction between these two terms. So, the next part of this session is related to the concept called economic growth. Economic growth refers to the economic progress of a country due to the existence of certain favorable circumstances. So, this is the definition of economic growth. So, there are some other definitions given by different economists. According to Simon Kuznets, economic growth may be defined as a long-term rise in a capacity to supply increasingly diverse economic goods to its population. This growing capacity based on advancing technology and the institution and ideological adjustment that it demands. According to Michael P. Todaro, economic growth is a steady process by which the productive capacity of the economy is increased over time to bring about rising levels of national output and income. According to Professor Mayer, economic growth is a process whereby the real per capita income increases over a long period of time. So these are some important definitions given by some different economics. The next part of this session is about the important aspects of economic growth. So there are so many important aspects of economic growth. Some of them are mentioned below. The first aspect is economic growth is a long run process. Second one, continued increase in per capita income for a long period of time. Third, advancing technology provides the basis for economic growth. Fourth one, it is connected with better distribution of income and wealth. Fifth one, it is related with the reduction in poverty and unemployment. Sixth one, institutional and ideological adjustment must be made to realize it. Seventh one, linked with a large increase in productive capacity of the economy. Eighth one, increase in GDP per capita higher than growth rate of population. So these are some important aspects of economic growth. Next part of this session is related to the concept of economic development. So the economic development, on the other hand, is the result of conscious and deliberate efforts on the part of government through economic planning. So these are some other definitions of economic development given by some important economists. According to Myrdal, economic development is upward movement of the entire social system of an economy. According to Meyer and Baldwin, economic development is a process whereby an economy's real national income increase over a long period of time. And like the economic growth, there are some important aspects of economic development also, which are the first one, economic development is a long-term process. Second one, there is increase in real national income and real per capita income. Third one, there is a change in the occupational structure. Fourth one, advanced techniques are used in all the sectors of economy. Fifth one, there is an increase in exports of manufactured and final goods. Sixth one, there is decrease in the imports of consumer items. Seventh one, there is a change in the social systems. Eighth one, there is an increase in the living standard of and welfare of people. Ninth one, there is eradication of poverty. Tenth one, it resulted in an increase in the production of capital goods. 11th one, there is decrease in the production of consumer goods. 12th one, more employment opportunities and reduction in income inequalities. So these are the some aspects of the economic growth. The next part of this session is about the difference between the concepts called economic growth and economic development. The first difference between the economic growth and economic development is the scope of economic growth is narrow because it is concerned with increase in the economy's output and income level only, whereas the scope of economic development is wider because it is concerned with structural changes and prosperity of the society. On the other hand, economic growth is widely used in all countries because growth is a necessary condition for development, while in the case of economic development, it is used in developing countries only because it is the problem of developing countries. The third difference between the economic growth and economic development is economic growth is measured numerically increased in real GDP, whereas the economic development is based on the HDI, GDI, HPI, IMR, literacy rate, etc. The fourth difference between these two are economic growth concerned with the quantity of goods and services in the economy, whereas the economic development concerned with not only quantity but also with the qualitative changes. In the case of economic growth, strong and effective institutional setup is not necessary. But in the case of economic development, effective and strong institutional revolution is sign of economic development. Economic growth is undimensional concept, whereas economic development is multidimensional phenomena. Where economic growth refers to the quantitative approach, whereas the economic development is said to be a qualitative approach. Economic growth is a short-term process. Its time plan may be 1 year, whereas economic development is a long-term process about 20 to 25 years. There may be or may not be any social changes in the economic growth. It is only concerned with economic income level, whereas social changes are compulsory in economic development. It concerned with better food, better health, education and employment. So these are the some differences between the economic growth and economic development. And this session is referred by some books called Industrial Economy written by RYK and The Indian Economics by KD Baswa, and some internet sources have also been used for their reference. Thank you.